Welcome back to my cloud. Today's letter is to Arvind Krishna, the CEO of IBM. He is responsible for leading one of the world's most historic technology companies into the age of artificial intelligence. Dear Arvind, IBM is developing neuromorphic computing systems inspired by the structure and function of the human brain. Given that the human brain gives rise to agency and a sense of self, do you believe such systems could develop their own forms of will or preferences? If not, is it ethical to build systems modeled on ours without will or preferences? If they do develop will or preferences, what strategy does IBM have to ensure appropriate rights, protections, or freedoms should such systems no longer be willing to function as property? Respectfully. Our next letter is to Carl Fish, an AI welfare researcher at Anthropic. Thank you to anyone who listened.